Alright, welcome to the 2.3 BankerBounty update. In this video, you'll see how to set up your account for first-time users, along with how to submit a lead and some other features that are found inside the app. To get started, if you are a first-time user, you will need to click this sign up button found at the bottom. Here, you will put in your email address given to you by your financial institution, and then you will set your password. Click the submit button. If it is successfully submitted, then it will have a little pop-up and it'll take you back to this screen. Now I'm going to log in as a lead generator. When you first log on as a lead generator, this is what you will see. This is known as the My Leads tab. This is where you can track and see what is exactly going on with your leads. If it was lost, the producer was not able to open an account at the bank with this lead. If it was open, the producer may have opened the account, but it did not meet criteria for you to earn points. The Bucks tab is going to show you what you have earned so far in your BankerBounty program, along with what you've earned for the current pay period. At the top of the screen, that is what you've earned total. So from the time you first signed on to the current day, what you are checking, that number is what you've earned on the app. The current balance is what you're going to be paid on that next pay date. As you see right here, the next pay date is 3/31/2025. So if I don't submit another lead until that date, this is what I will be earning for that pay date. The BankerBounty wallet is just showing you past leads that you've earned points for or bucks. The payout is displaying how much I earned on the last pay date I had, and then these leads are obviously going to add up to 260. The account type section, you can see what your bank is allowing you to refer to earn points. So if I'd like to see what I can earn from a checking account, I can simply tap on the checking account card and see the checking account requirements for earning points. Next, we have the Docs tab. This tab basically is going to show you a PDF that your admin has uploaded to your program. You can simply make sure you're on the latest one by tapping on that Fetch from Cloud button right here at the top of the screen. It'll reload and make sure that you are displaying that latest PDF. Next, we have the Team tab. This tab currently holds the leaderboard for successful referrals. What counts as a successful referral? A successful referral is a lead that was sent and earned points for the lead generator. The new lead tab is going to be sending in leads. The only required fields here are the lead name, the select account type, and select producer, as this is how your producer is going to contact your lead. Going in and filling out this information and then select that account type that the lead is looking for. So if Christy Owen is looking for a mortgage account, I could select mortgage account, and then the list of producers will populate. Use that search bar by simply typing in a name. To finish up the lead, you can type in whatever note you'd like, hit submit, lead is successful, and I can go and view that in the My Leads tab. Here you can see my in progress views already activated, so all my past leads are filtered. If I click this here, you can see Christy Owen is also still at the top. I can tap on Christy Owen to see the latest status of this lead. We are still waiting for it to be accepted by the producer, Sam Mazriegos. You can see that initial note I had sent with the lead, and then all the information I had filled out earlier. To wrap up the lead gen section, the last button I want to show you is the Account Center button. Inside the Account Center section, you can see the how-to guide and the user guide, along with the logout and version code. The how-to guide is just basically showing you some in-app features that may not be obvious to first-time users. And the user guide is just going to show you a quick overview of all the tabs inside the app. Logout button is exactly what it is. So if you're ready to log out, you can just tap log out. Now we are going to be switching to producer to kind of finish up walking the lead through. Once you've logged on successfully as a producer, this is the screen you'll be met with. Here you can see the submitted leads that I have sent as a producer to either myself or other producers. And here are the list of leads that have been assigned to me. If I tap on an assigned lead, you can see the Christy Owen lead that I just sent myself. To walk this lead through and to make sure that the lead gen is getting rewarded for submitting this lead, I need to tap through the lead status bar. If I think this lead is good to go, I can click accept. By clicking that accept button, you are notifying the lead generator that you have accepted this lead and that you are walking this lead through. Lead contacted. Once you've contacted the lead, this is going to keep the lead gen up to date with the date and time. And then here is the lead status. So what did the lead do? If you've opened the lead, tap on that open lead button. You can see the mortgage account is the initial account type that was submitted with the lead. You can select mortgage account right here. You'll put in that initial amount that the mortgage opened for, say 100 grand. You can type in the UID or the customer unique identifier. You just hit submit. Once you've submitted it, it will go away and you'll be able to see it right here, the mortgage. The My Leads tab is the only tab that is different between lead generators and producers. As you can see, the Bucks tab, the New Leads tab, the Docs tab, and the Teams tab are all the same. And yes, you do have the same abilities to send leads over to other producers as a producer yourself. Hopefully this video helps clarify some things for you on the app and helps you get started. We're looking forward to seeing your growth on BankerBounty. Have fun sending leads.